Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Sarambai, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Hineutrap Integrated Territorial Organization Central Body opposes setting up casinos in Rihoi District. Hineutrap Integrated Territorial Organization expresses concern over hold of Common University entrance test. And HNYF opposes Harijan's demand for providing proper housing facilities. And now the news in detail. Hineutrap Integrated Territorial Organization Central Body, as a social organization today, expressed strong opposition against the state government for setting up of casinos in the Ribhoi district, Khanapara and Jorabar in Ribhoi district of Meghalaya. In a letter to the Chief Minister, Hito said, legalizing gambling will have serious negative repercussions on Meghalayan society. The conversion of Meghalaya into a hub of legalized gambling, online betting and casinos will have far-reaching consequences on the lives of vulnerable men, women and their families irrespective of community, economic station, education and belief.
Hakaway kaleng na najarong ki ong yagatir na negatika septim set khnam kinum untuk hatu ka an hendai ndala poi shapo ilap ka archery komot ka kala dai ka set khnam te ka bos mu phla hadu menta kumno bangi hadu menta ye ka septim ni khenbet ba ka dei ka sport ka traditional game jami tingin pediang hi ba minum sha dalai lai bi ya kum kini ki casino ki pan wan hapo cela ba jumi but hapo ka gazer claim dimension banong bansna tang hapo Khanapara Jorbat baskibota sigwaila ai license kila abi bansna hakano let's say hamni ka paushai ba kum bese tong ba sala u chief minister jing nang shatang ban kan farang hendre ka anyu danang bhaban pule but is phanga hapo ka notification ka kren kumai ule kumai te kumbangi te bhi ka jala jungi ka bon ki rungai kristan bangim ju entertain bat ngim sha hero ba ngin ngop ki kam khalai bat ki kam sne ki wat bon ki long kme ki long kpa ki ba hadu mentang dang ya khun ban jale persya kumi ka kiat drop dan dalawan ka khalai le ke ba ma tang ha banda bat jeng bat sem bat ya ka tengaru kumbalong hapo da sipo jala ki kidang haban benda.
Concerning over the implementation of Common University entrance test, the Hineutrap Integrated Territorial Organization Central Body, as a social organization today, said immediate implementation of the Common University entrance test is yet to be accepted by the student community in the state, as the procedural measures are an ongoing process. In a letter written to the Education Minister Lakman Rumbui, Hito said the organization would like to suggest to the government that most of the students community from the state are from Meghalaya Board of School Education background, and therefore, before the government take into consideration to move forward for the setting up of examination center in every district headquarters.
Set up the center mandaki district pan ai ka coaching yakini ki khna ki ban yale kani ka kwet exam tela da ja ba kane ka facilities kambyang shwa kini ki exam ina ka leng ka sen nimban se bangin sim da koi ki lat klinti pan ya kran bat man pembore ka sarkar man pembyang ni facilities ni I ka dan ru kalat ka ba ai lat kini ki khna ki badang yale yakane ka class 12 la da ja ba gem phadio result ru te kila ban attempt ya ka exam te naga ka jingkeli rungi ba kadon hadu sanpu tli ki jingkeli bat kila ban attempt hadu saupo tang tu kilang ki language ru ki don hadu khalai te minala pa dia ka language hak tu kurkom nong nakalian jungi ngila sungdei baka sarkar bakan dei bansen initiative wut ban bangkloi no ye ka ban pendrung ye kinten khasi khnang ba kendala wan kum kini ki jat exam kari ba ki pendeu jungi kan yo kita kilat ban jele exam da ka kenten la jong.
The HNYF today strongly opposed the demand of the Harijans residing in Maulonghat and Shillong that the state government should provide proper housing facilities for the shifting them from the present location. Speaking to the media, the HNYF leader said that the Harijans residing in the Maulonghat are just government servants, and when they have to retire, they are bound to go back to their own native place. So why to give them so much of priority since they are not permanent residents of the state?
Para iti government employees ki ban don ki quartar kan sa but kim dan hoki ro ban ong ba ki kin sa duang ni ki de ki ai ki di tangki government employees dalakut dalar retire kaban le shin system lo jong ti na kalyang jingi kaseng yin sha le taro har de hadang la poi ka chama poi ru compare la kita kisku bubun kita mero jingi ki basha naga pors dagi sya kendang sarkar sya pendek wa ki dukan PGM wat nan kami gini apa kan no project bahe kawan ki surok ki furlien gini kita ya sarkar kale mu ki jamre ini ke jupuron sarkar gini kendang be ka bodan apa di force apa di pulet tang tengi ngelamat gitu Shillong tu dau kiru ha idan kita try mempat suatu wat man aga sarkar kale mu kendang be te belai pat ki thiam te dan ayu mungkin ni sarkar ni wasap pun lada kimla ban wen ni kiti kan bahap ni harus hiar na suki ki dan don kam dei kan ni residential ki begin sa permanent hang ni dan jakai ki no ingin persya bin mar ya ka an dan transparan la kan.
Troops of Border Security Force Meghalaya on the 28th of April 2022 seized 125 kg of human hair meant to be smuggled to Bangladesh from international border of East Khasi Hills, Meghalaya. Smuggled human hair is being used in Bangladesh for making wigs for domestic use as well as for export purpose. BSF Meghalaya seized a total of 225 kg of human hair since January 2022. BSF Meghalaya had also rescued 73 cattle from groups of miscreants attempting to smuggle them to Bangladesh through the international border of East Jantia Hills. A total of 450 cattle have been seized in the month of April 2022. Owing to increasing smuggling attempt, the BSF has kept a vigilant eye on the international border to strengthen national security as well as to prevent all kind of trans-border crimes and illegal activities. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.